Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a link to Facebook on Meta Business Suite. To get started, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. This is the main workspace where you can manage your Facebook content, including planning, creating, and scheduling posts. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct business account and on the right Facebook asset, since that helps avoid posting in the wrong place. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Planner. The Planner section is where you can organize upcoming content and create new posts from a calendar-style view. If you are new to Meta Business Suite, this area is especially helpful because it gives you a clear overview of your posting schedule. Once you are in Planner, click on Create. This opens the content creation options available to you. From there, choose Create Post. This will take you into the Post Composer, which is the screen where you build the content that will appear on your Facebook page. Inside the Composer, find and click the link icon. This is the option you will use to attach a website or web page to your post. Adding a link this way helps Facebook pull in the destination properly, which can improve how the post preview appears. It can also make your post look cleaner and more professional than simply dropping a long URL into the text without checking the preview. After selecting the link option, paste your link into the field provided. Be sure the URL is complete and formatted correctly so Meta Business Suite can recognize it. Once pasted, give the system a moment to process the link and generate any available preview information. If the preview does not appear immediately, waiting a few seconds can help. When everything looks correct, click Save. This confirms the link in your post setup. Before moving on, it is always a good idea to quickly review the Post Composer and make sure the link is attached the way you expect. That final check can help prevent mistakes before publishing or scheduling. And that's it. You have successfully added a link to a Facebook post using Meta Business Suite. This process is quick once you know where each option is, and it is a useful skill if you regularly share articles, landing pages, product pages, or other web content with your audience.